Hemi and Lily's New Zealand Adventure. In the land of the long white cloud, Aotearoa, lived a boy named Hemi. He loved the green hills and the blue sea. One day, a new friend named Lily came to visit from far away. "Welcome," said Hemi with a big smile. "I will show you the magic of my home." Hemi took Lily to a marae, a special Maori meeting house. He pointed to the detailed carvings on the front. "These tell the stories of my ancestors," he explained. "They were brave sailors who crossed the great ocean to find this land." Next, they traveled to Rotorua, where a funny smell was in the air. "It's sulfur from the earth," laughed Hemi. They watched as a geyser shot hot water high into the sky. It was a powerful and amazing sight. In the Waitomo caves, it was very dark. They floated on a small boat on a silent underground river. Lily looked up. "It's like the night sky is in the cave," she whispered. Thousands of tiny glowworms twinkled like stars on the ceiling. Their adventure took them south, to the giant mountains of Fjordland. Hemi showed Lily a mountain that rises straight out of the dark, still water. "The mountains are sleeping giants," Hemi said softly. They hiked through a forest with giant ferns. Hemi showed Lily a young fern frond, curled in a spiral. "This is a koru," he said. "For my people, it means new life and new beginnings." As they walked quietly, Hemi pointed to the forest floor. A funny-looking bird with a very long beak and no wings was sniffing the ground. "That's a kiwi," Hemi whispered. "It's our special bird. It is awake at night." On the coast, they saw a colony of yellow-eyed penguins, the hoiho. They watched from a distance as the penguins waddled from the sea back to their nests in the grass. "They are one of the rarest penguins in the world," Hemi said. "We must protect them." For their last adventure, they visited a place with bubbling mud pools. The thick, gray mud plopped and burped. Lily giggled. "It's like the earth is making a funny hot soup." Hemi laughed with her. As the sun set, painting the sky orange and pink, Lily sighed happily. "New Zealand is so beautiful, Hemi. Thank you for showing me its history and its nature." Hemi smiled. "You are always welcome here, my friend. Aotearoa is a land of adventure for everyone."